अक्सर कहा जाता है कि देयर इज़ नो फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इन पाकिस्तान. आई थिंक दैट्स रॉन्ग. फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन है, फ्रीडम आफ्टर एक्सप्रेशन का काफ़ी मसला हो जाता है. यहाँ पर आपकी अपनी राय क्या है इस पर?
First of all, before responding
जी.
to your question, I would like to condemn the attitude of those people or those institutions who refuse to issue visa to the guests of this conference, Stephen Butler and Jyoti Malhotra. So I think that if these people in power, they cannot tolerate the presence of Stephen Butler and Jyoti Malhotra in Pakistan, this is the sign of their weakness. ये कमज़ोर लोग हैं, इनको शर्म आनी चाहिए. I am here to express my solidarity to all those friends who were denied visa for Pakistan, and I think that all people present in this hall, they will endorse me. आप मुझे endorse कर रहे हैं? बिल्कुल. Secondly, मैं ज़रार खोड़ो साहब के सवाल की तरफ आऊँगा. ये if you go to any city of Pakistan, any village of Pakistan, and ask a question to a common man, किसी सड़क पे, चौक में, चौराहे में, कहीं भी चले जाएं, उससे पूछें, is media free in Pakistan? They will start laughing. नहीं, पाकिस्तान में मीडिया फ्री नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है, अब उसकी डिटेल में मैं नहीं जाता, लेकिन यहाँ पर आज क्योंकि एक इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस है, सो आई वुड लाइक टू mention something which is very important not only for Pakistan but whole of the South Asia. Sometime back, this year in 2021, the Reporters Without Border, they issued a list of press freedom predators. आज़ादी सहाफ़त के दुश्मनों की एक लिस्ट जारी की गई है. 37 head of the states are included in that list. आज़ादी सहाफ़त के 37 दुश्मन, कोई सदर है, कोई वज़ीर आज़म है. Out of those 37 people, this is very interesting that the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, is there. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, is there. Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Hasina Wajid, is there. And President of Sri Lanka, Rajapaksa, is there. This is a matter of shame for the whole of South Asia. हमारे साउथ एशिया के ये चार अहम मुल्क हैं, चारों जगह पे डेमोक्रेसी है, जमहूरियत है. पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका. और आरएसएफ कह रही है कि ये चारों मुल्क जो हैं, इनके जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर और प्रेसिडेंट हैं, ये सहाफ़त के दुश्मन हैं. अब some people in Pakistan, they may claim that, oh no, you are wrong. The press is free in Pakistan. Like the Chief Justice of Pakistan was making a claim here some time back that the judiciary is free in Pakistan. So he was making this claim. So many people in Pakistan, they will make this claim that the media is free in Pakistan. Okay, so if the media is free in Pakistan, so there is a gentleman sitting in the audience. His name is Matiullah Jan, and he was kidnapped from Islamabad, and he's a journalist. And when he was kidnapped, so almost all the TV channels in Pakistan, they aired the CCTV footage of those people who were in uniform and they were kidnapping him, and their faces were very clear in that footage. Matiullah Jan came back after 24 hours, but the Chief Justice of Pakistan, he called the Islamabad police and other security agencies, and he asked them that who is responsible for that. Matiullah Jan is sitting there, and he will not deny my claim. Everybody is aware that who kidnapped Matiullah Jan, but the police and the other security agencies, they lack courage to tell the Supreme Court of Pakistan that who kidnapped him. Same is the case with the journalist Asad Tur. He was also beaten in Islamabad, and a police report was registered in Islamabad 6 months back. The Home Minister, Mr. Sheikh Rashid, he made a claim that we will arrest the culprits very soon. Now 6 months have been passed, and there is no development in that case. Same is the case of Absar Alam, who was shot in Islamabad. So these cases were registered in Islamabad, not in other part of Pakistan. So Zarar Khoda Sahab, you can judge, and you the lawyers and the human rights activists, the civil society members, you are present and you know that who is doing all that. So you see, when somebody claims that judiciary is free in Pakistan, or somebody claims that media is free in Pakistan, I very humbly disagree with all those people, including the Chief Justice of Pakistan, because he said that मेरी कोर्ट फ्री है. बिल्कुल आपकी एक राय है, लेकिन मतीउल्लाह जान के मामले में हमें नज़र नहीं आया. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम आपको बिलीव करें, एंड वी वुड लाइक टू बिलीव यू चीफ जस्टिस साहब, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम आपको बिलीव करें, तो फिर जो मतीउल्लाह जान का जो मामला है, और जो असद तूर का मामला है, और जो अबसार आलम का मामला है, उस पर आप लेना सो मोटो नोटिस लें उसका, और दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी कर दें. सो मैं कोई लंबी स्पीच नहीं करना चाहता. मुझे आसमा जहांगीर साहबा के हवाले से एक बात याद आ रही है. ये अवारी होटल जो है वो ये माल रोड पर है, और यही जो माल रोड है, यहाँ पे एक दफ़ा नहीं बार बार आसमा जहांगीर साहबा ने इंसानी हकूक़ के लिए, आज़ादी सहाफ़त के लिए उन्होंने डंडे खाए, और एक दफ़ा उनके साथ हबीब जालिब साहब भी थे. उस ज़माने में हम स्टूडेंट थे. तो जालिब साहब जो हैं वो हमेशा एक बात कहा करते थे, और देखें ये बात उन्होंने आज से कुछ चार दुहाइयाँ पहले कही थी. 4 decades ago, a poet in Pakistan said something about the threats for press freedom in Pakistan, but after 40-45 years, still he is relevant. फर्जी मुकदमात हैं, झूठी शहादतें, हम फिर भी लिख रहे हैं जुनू की हकायतें. तो ये जो फ्री मीडिया होता है, इस फ्री मीडिया से जो लोग डरते हैं वो कमज़ोर और बुज़दिल लोग होते हैं. और जिस मुल्क में मीडिया फ्री नहीं होता, उस मुल्क में जुडिशरी फ्री नहीं होती. तो मैं बड़ी आजिज़ी से, बड़े अदब से सिर्फ ये गुजारिश करूँगा कि there is a barometer for free judiciary, there is a barometer for free parliament in every country. If you want to judge the independence of judiciary and the independence of parliament, you should only analyze the independence of media. And if media is not independent, then rest assured, judiciary is not free and parliament is not free. And if judiciary, parliament and media is not free, then there is no democracy. So, sorry to say, मैं समझता हूँ कि there is hybrid democracy, which means fake democracy in Pakistan. And fake democracy is the biggest threat for this country. And if you love Pakistan, you have to give freedom to media, independence to judiciary, and independence to your parliament.